Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to set up scale out master and scale out worker for 2020 in 2022 for SQL Server. Okay, so this video is related to main to integration services. Okay, in this example, so if you can, I'm having three nodes. One is all our member servers. So we have two options. Okay, you can install the worker as well in the master node, but I'm going with the first option. Okay, so in this demo I'm going with option 1, or node 1 has a master and node 2 and node 3 has a workers. Okay, so here first we need to install integration services along with scale out master and the node 1, and once you done that you will get master certificate will get created that you need to copy, and you need to paste in the node 1 and node 3, and you can find this path and everything here. Along with the installation done, you need to install scale out master using that certificate. So once you done that, you the certificate will be created from both nodes. You have to copy those certificates from both nodes and you have to paste in the master, and you need to install that. So once you install that, you need have to create SSIS DB catalog. Okay, and you need to enable this option, server catalog option. So once it is done, you need to select manage scale out and you have to add the workers. And you know, once deploy the sample package and run it in the scale out master and verify the results. So for to avoid the issues, we in the master node we have to enable SSIS authentication. If we keep the same account, so that we can easily identify the issues and related issues like permissions and everything. Okay, so let's get into the practical. Here I'm having four machines. One is Active Directory, Node 1 and Node 2 and Node 3. So consider Node 1 as a master. I'm making it as a master, and Node 2 and Node 3 as a worker nodes. Okay. So once in all three machines, SQL Server has is installed. So open your installation medium. So once SQL Server is already installed, right? So I'm selecting here add features. If it is not, it is new machine and there is no SQL Server, you need to select this one. Okay, so once it is done, click next. Okay, so here you need to select integration services and scale out master. Okay, press next. So here give the services account. Okay, administrator, check names. So give the password. Click next. So 8396, copy this number and paste it here for that to be on safe side. Okay, copy that post number. So now click right now I don't have certificates, that's the reason I'm going to create one new SSL certificate. If you already having, use this option. So right now I'm selecting this create new SQL Server certificate. Press next. Press install. Yeah, scale out master installation has been done successfully. So here is passed successfully. Okay, so we click execute. Yeah, it was done. Now close this option. Now go to this C drive, program files, SQL Server 160, DTS, bin. Okay, so click a short of the NMRC. You will get certificate, copy. I'm pasting here. For say, copy it again, paste it, go to node 1, paste it. Okay, now see this in this machine is also SQL Server got in is already installed. Select this, like next. Here you need to select integration services and scale out worker. Click next. Yeah, here browse, type administrator, check names. Okay, right, next. Here you need to provide the names and everything. Okay, so here, okay, uh, open notepad. Here https dot forward slash, what is the master node? Node1 semicolon. So what is the port number? I have saved it, right? 8391. This one you need to write. Okay, this is the port number. Yep, copy it, paste it, and go to browse, select desktop, select master certificate. Yep, next, install. So meanwhile, go to Node 2, no sorry, Node 3, open SSMS and installation media and everything. I kept ready for you. Okay. So click next, start services. Why? Because to make this video very simple, I already installed SSMS and SQL Server and everything. So to show that only the related part which is related to the integration, I mean I didn't done anything, but to show you. Select integration services, scale out worker. Next, again come back, copy this, go to this one, paste it and click on browse. Select a master certificate, provide next, click install. So installation of scale out worker on node 3 has been completed. So click close button here. Let's see the what about node 2. So on node is also completed. Close that, everything. Okay. Now go to node 2, SQL Server, C drive, program files. Microsoft SQL Server 160 DTS bin connection, start out with a name folder, say scale out worker. Copy this and you can, for naming purpose, I'm creating one folder and coming here node 1, sorry, node 2. Okay, uh, now go back to node 3, go to respective drive, program files, SQL Server 160. Okay, DTS bin, start out with the name folder, copy the scale out worker node. Sorry, it is a node 3. Okay, now now you just go to node 2 folder, right click on that, install certificate, current user, next, or place this trusted root authorities, click OK, OK, finish. So you will get that certification import has been successful. Okay, so we have to wait for that, or yeah, so you will, once you get you will get this screen. Okay, so you have to just wait. Okay, click yes, so we import was successful. Close this, go to Node2 folder, right click, install certificate, or local machine, or I will go with that current user. Place all certificate, trusted with authorities, click OK, finish. Just wait, that's option. Yeah, so you will get this kind of result. Click yes, import successful. Now it was done. Okay, uh, now you go to the readers, refresh the instance, and make sure that this authentication is selected by default. Okay, make sure you need to that. So go to integration services. Right now I'm not having any databases. Select on this, create catalog. I'm maximizing this, enable CLR, enable this one, give the password, but please do remember this password or store somewhere else. Okay, you need to select this option, enable the server as scale out master. Okay, click OK. Yeah, it was done. Yeah, now click on this manage scale out option. Here I am not having any workers. Click on workers here. Click on odd here. Type node2 validate. Cannot open certificates to store on the machine. So now close this. So otherwise install certificate current. So both installation was successful. Okay, now go to this one. Try this. Is already no install, right? Once and let's. So now go to Node2. Otherwise, so we have installed but not yet restarted, right? So restart one the system, master node and nodes and everything. So connect node 1 after restart. So enable this SSDB. Select manage scale out. Yeah, it is done. Now click add. Type node2. Yeah, it was done. Click OK. Oh, sorry, not yet. Click add node 2 validate. Click yes, OK. Yeah, add worker succeeded. Please close this. Click close. Yeah, refresh it. Add one more node 3 validate. Yeah, add worker succeeded. Please close and dialog. Click refresh. Close this button. Refresh. Yeah, node 3 was added and node 2 was not yet added as of now. Click enable and refresh it. Yeah, it was done. Click add node 2 as well. Node 2 validate. Click yes. Added worker succeeded. Click close button. Refresh it. So as of now, if you see the workers are 1 here, and if you close this button, I don't know what happened to node 2. So let's see the services are running or not. Scale out worker is also running. Everything is running fine, right? Just restart it once. Okay, it is not yet restarted, no problem. So it is everything is running fine. So go to node 1, click refresh and close this one. Okay, now go to add DB. Masters either star certificate of worker machine, worker publish certificate of master machine, restart scale out. So go to node 2. Hmm. Add worker success. Please close dialog button and refresh it. Yeah, node 2 got appear, but is it in disabled state? Right click and enable. Click refresh. See, now I got two workers. Okay, so two workers are online. Click close button. Select the instance and refresh. Now you need to refresh the sample snap. This one. Okay, you just go there. Copy the sample project. Paste it here. Okay, now just go to that project. Create a folder. Just a project. Okay, now select project. Right click on execute. Import deploy project here. Browse. Select a project. Next. Click OK. Next. Connect. Next. Deploy. Yeah, it was done. Click close. Right click on that. Execute and scale out. Okay, so I need to execute in both in this. Okay, click OK. Yes. This is old message. Ignore that. File is running. Yeah, it was done. So it was executed on Node1 single utilities package. So what we will do, so we will copy the same project and we will paste it here. So it will copy again. We need to go back and copy, deploy project, browse, come to desktop, this one, next, next, connect, next, deploy. So now I'm having two packages. Okay, now I'm selecting on project, click execute and scale out. So now go to mission selection. So allow any missions to execute any packages. So I'm not telling that mission it will tell you, execute the packages. Click execute. Click open or yes. See, 7th is running, 8 are running. So forget this 5 ID 2 and 3. Concentrate on 7 and 8. Okay. Yeah, both was 7th is complete. 7th has been completed. 8th has been also completed. Now if we go scroll back, so this one has been run on the node 2 and this also has been run on the node 3. Means the two packages were distributed to each one on node. Okay, so this have been is called integrated scale out and master and worker. So, so I hope you may like this video. This sample script will only check the version of the SQL server. It will connect to the Node1 and it will check that master. This is the very simple. If you click messages, so you will see all the post execution and everything. It doesn't do anything. Just a sample package to show the demo for you. Okay. So I hope you may like this video. Thank you.